California, where the Kelty brand was born, is home to adventures of every shape and size and every other feature that defines us. So it is no accident that its namesake pack, the Glendale, is our most inclusive yet. Thanks to our all-new Fit Plus hip belt and torso adjustment system, Glendale 105 can give almost anyone a fully tailored fit, realizing long-haul comfort for a wider range of body types. An advanced perimeter frame with reinforced stays gives you a secure foundation, no matter what you're carrying, with load lifters and belt stabilizers to ensure the most badass parts of your body always bear the weight. For the biggest adventures, smart storage is the name of the game, and the Glendale 105 is all about it. With an upgraded top loader, plus a genius J-zip for easy mid-pack grabs, and a full-length pocket for longer items. There's even a special spot for your sleeping bag. There's also a handy shove-it pocket, so you can quickly stash extra layers when the weather changes, and twin pockets at both shoulders and hips to ensure small essentials are always within reach. We also included a key fob pocket in the lid, so your keys don't go on their own walkabout. Compression straps on the lid and sides keep your stuff locked down tight, and the tool loops keep your trekking poles close at hand. Dual access water bottle pockets keep those cool sips at your fingertips. It's compatible with most hands-free hydration systems too. The Glendale 105 with Fit Plus technologies, custom tailored comfort for kitchen sink packers. Kelty, follow your further.
I'm Mike St. Pierre and the founder and CEO of Hyperlite Mountain Gear, and today we're going to talk about the Junction backpack. The Junction was developed, well basically it was developed because of you guys. You came to us and said we would like a hybrid of the Windrider backpack, which is all mesh, and the Southwest pack, which is all a full fabric 210 denier Dyneema hardline. The bags come in 3 different volumes. You've got a 40 liter, a 55 liter, and a 70 liter. The 40 liter weights are here, the 55 liter weights here, and the 70 denier weights here. If you decide to go with the black model, it's about an ounce different per bag. And reason being is the white bag is DCF 50. The main body is all DCF 50. The bottom and the rand of the bag is the DCH 150. The black only comes in DCH 150. So again, about roughly an ounce at the 40 liter volume weight difference between the black and the white. The 40 liter bag is ideal for the Appalachian Trail, the trails in your local area, kind of weekend trips. I take this bag a lot of times for anywhere up to 5-6 days with a super light setup. If you're looking to do the CDT or the PCT, I'd recommend the 55 liter. If you are doing big trips in Alaska or winter trips or potentially pack rafting, I would recommend probably the 70 liter backpack for that. All bags come in 4 torso sizes. You have a small, medium, large, and tall. You can find measurements on our website and how to actually measure yourself. The Junction pack has 2 aluminum contoured stays in the interior of the bag. Again, they are removable. There's also a hydration sleeve that can hold your bladder and a hydration port on the side of the bag. Hip belts are dual density. It's an 1/8 inch rigid closed cell foam in addition to a 1/4 inch rigid closed cell foam and spacer mesh, which adds a little bit more cushion to the actual hip belt itself. The hip belt pockets are made out of the Dyneema hardline with YKK water resistant zippers. Shoulder straps are 3/8 inch foam with the spacer mesh as well. Also has daisy chains, which allows for changing the location of the sternum strap, and the daisy chains also allows for the addition of the shoulder pocket for carrying phones or other accessories, which you can find on the accessory page of our website. The beautiful thing about the Junction is the mesh pocket on the backside and the hardline side pockets. Things that you put into the large pocket on the exterior, they dry quickly. especially if you're in rainy conditions for long periods of time. It's easy for things to kind of drain and dry. Also gives great visibility into the exterior pocket to see what you have for snacks or food, or finding your tent stakes or headlamps or anything along those lines. There's also an additional axe loop here with a spot to secure the shaft of your axe right here on the bag. The Junction bag has a wide top closure on the top, which can secure a bear can or articles of clothing as you kind of head out of camp in the morning. Bear canisters will fit inside the bag, but they fit vertically. In those situations, I actually recommend stuffing something into your bear can, not your food. And then when you get to camp, you swap that back out. You can get a lot more volume by putting sleeping bags or jackets and things into your bear can when packing them for the day. This pack can do it all. It's super versatile, go anywhere, do anything with it, any activity. And you can find this along with any of our other packs at hyperlightmountaingear.com.
Hi, I'm Andy with Big Agnes. I'm here to introduce the men's Parkview and the women's Granite packs.
You can pack lighter and faster with the Parkview 63-liter and Granite 60-liter packs. The contoured shoulder straps and hip belt attach directly to the aluminum perimeter frame to create a fully integrated suspension system for efficient load transfer. The injection molded frame sheet and anatomically curved back panel are engineered to maximize support. You'll have a secure body hugging fit that's easy to adjust while on trail with the open range hip belt. This cut-to-fit hip belt eliminates gaps between body and pack, and the dual hip belt stabilizer allows upper and lower section of the hip belt to be adjusted separately. Balanced pack weight is achieved through our hoist compression system that pulls pack weight inward and upward. Load lifter straps allow fine-tuning of weight distribution. These top-loading packs include plenty of storage capacity, including a spindrift collar, which adds 7 to 10 liters of pack volume when fully extended. Compartmentalized storage includes 2 stretch mesh side pockets, front quick stash pocket, and front zip pocket. Find bonus storage in the removable lid with 2 zip pockets and key keeper. Stay hydrated for the miles ahead with the internal 3-liter hydration bladder pocket with bladder hook, discreet tube routing port, and hose keeper on the sternum strap. Stash trekking poles on the pack exterior using the webbing and bungee cord loops, and attach extras using the daisy chain loops and lash loops on the pack exterior. These packs include 2 removable hip pockets for stashing little ditties and our accessory trash can for trail litter and camp trash. Keep your gear protected from the elements with our pack rain cover, sold separately. Our Parkview 63-liter was built in 2 sizes, men's medium and large, to ensure proper fit and comfort. Our Granite 60-liter was designed by women for women and body mapped to provide more comfort for a woman's shape with curved, contoured shoulder straps and anatomical hip belt. These packs feature the Load Wrangler Plus, which allows you to fit the pack to your specific torso length. Find your torso measurement on the frame and insert the shoulder straps into the corresponding keyholes for a customized fit. You can find your pack size and fit by visiting us at bigagnes.com.
Hi, I'm Devin from Osprey, and today I'm here to introduce you to the Atmos Aura AGLT. Less is more in the Atmos Aura AGLT, which is outfitted with our body-hugging anti-gravity suspension in a streamlined silhouette for technical backpackers. Lighter than its original counterpart, this pack delivers a thoughtfully simple feature set, and the anti-gravity suspension keeps comfort at the forefront of your experience. The men's Atmos AGLT and the women's Aura AGLT each come in 2 volumes, 65 liters and 50 liters. The remarkable anti-gravity suspension system is a continuous back panel of lightweight mesh integrated into the silhouette, making these packs perfect for lightweight adventures. And the easy-to-access ladder adjustment system allows for 2 frame sizes for each gender fit. For added breathability, the mesh back panel is designed for load transfer and support. The revolutionary AG system seamlessly extends the tensioned back panel into the hip belt, and the hip belt overlay is integrated into the frame to ensure consistent load transfer. The harness has a die-cut foam lower and a mesh exoform wrap upper for enhanced comfort. The extendable, custom fit-on-the-fly hip belt offers a precise fit for varying waist sizes, as well as incremental length and angle adjustments for even more fine-tuning. Finally, the crossbody ergo pull design pulls weight into the lumbar when the hip belt is tightened. If you'd like to learn more about getting the right pack fit, take a look at our pack fit video. Now let's get into all the essential features that make the Atmos Aura AGLT the ultimate backpacking pack. A floating top lid with lash points. A fabric reinforced front shove-it pocket. Tall, dual access side water bottle pockets. Dual upper and lower side compression straps. Dual zippered hip belt pockets. Curved zip access on one side of the pack so you can grab gear quickly. Dual ice axe loops with upper compression strap capture. Removable sleeping pad straps. An integrated rain cover to keep everything dry in inclement weather. And an internal hydration reservoir sleeve, featuring the new HydroClip reservoir hanger with center back exit port. In addition to all that, the Atmos Aura AGLT is built for sustainability and durability. They're made of Blue Sign approved, high tenacity nylon and PFAS-free DWR. These packs are built to last and designed to be used for a lifetime. So, if you love the Atmos Aura AG and want something just as comfortable, that's lighter and sleeker, look no further than the Atmos Aura AG LT.